Hi viewers, this is Vinay Chandra Maxito. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Ganesh Tutorials. Are you all ready to learn? Let me start the class. Example 8. What they given in this question? Find the 11th term. We should find the 11th term from the last term. Clear? From the last term. We should find the 11th term from the last term. Very clear? Towards the first term, right? Of the AP. Right? That is 10, 7, 4, etc. minus 68. Actually, we supposed to find the last annuals, 11th term from the last term. Are you all clear? Excuse me? Excuse me? Now, yes, wait. For example, I just consider 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. 10. Now, what is a second term of from the last term? What is the second term from the last term? What is the second term from the last term? Second term, here it is 10. So what is the second term from the last term? From the last term. Actually, last before the term is 9. That is the second term. We should count. It is the first term, second term, because we should count the term in a backside onwards. Clear? Excuse me? Okay. So listen again one more time. Actually, the numbers on the AP is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. up to 10. So your last term is 10. We should find the second term from the last term. From the last term. So that means 10, 9. So 9 is the second term. Very clear? Very clear? Usually when you say that second term is here too, but they said here we should find the second term from the last term. So we can count the term backside onwards. Are you clear? Any doubt? Okay. Now the same thing, listen. Find the 11th term from the last term. So backside onwards, we should find which term is the 11th term. Clear? In that AP, in this AP, backside onwards. So 62, then some number. We should find the 11th term. Are you clear? Are you clear? Okay. Now, see here, the same thing. Listen. First, we should find how many digits or how many terms are here in this AP. How many terms are here? So, do you know how will you find the terms in this AP? How many terms are there in AP? How will you find? Excuse me? Listen, for example, here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. 10. So, we said it is a second term from the backside onwards, last term onwards, that is the second term. Now, you can tell me what is the actual term number from side starting onwards in right direction, right side onwards. Excuse me? It is a backside onwards. So, front side, what it is a term number? 1, 2. I'm asking for this number. It is backside onwards, it is 2. So, front side, what is the term number? From front side. Front side. No. Front side, yes, ninth term, right? Clear? Are you clear? Excuse me. For example, one more. 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now, backside onwards, 4 is a third term, right? Excuse me. Now, front side, what is the term? Front side. Second term. Very good. Second term. How did you find out this? How did you find this? How did you find this? Actually, by counting. Very easy one. Listen, pa. First, we can find the last term. How many terms are here? Clear? How many terms are here? How many terms are here? 4 terms. Are you clear? Excuse me. Clear? So 4 term. Backside onwards, third is term, right? Backside onwards. Excuse me. Third term. So what we supposed to do? We can subtract third term. It will lies on minus third term minus 1. Clear? Excuse me. Otherwise, it is subtracted third term minus 1. So third minus 1, what it is? 4 minus 2. So we can leave the 2 terms and we can find the 4. What is the answer? 2. Very clear? Excuse me. 4 minus, again we should subtract the third term because the third term, then again 1 minus because we want to cancel this 2, then we can find this a 4. Very clear? Backside onwards, second term. Clear? Front side. Are you clear? Excuse me. It is like a day counting. Are you clear? Excuse me. Listen, backside onwards, they said it's the third term. So we found 4. Total term was 4. So 4, 3, 4 minus 3. Again we should subtract 1. Clear? Because we are finding terms. right? Clear? So 4 minus 3, again a 1 minus 1. So 4 minus 2. So it's the second term. So front side, it is the second term. Are you clear? Are you clear the concept? The same thing here. Now they given a AP, right? So last term is 62. So first they're asking 11th term on back side onwards. 11th term, it will be here, 11th term, right? So we can find first how many terms are here. How many terms are here? How will you find how many terms are here? How many terms are here? How will you find? For finding AN, right? So here AN is very good. Now A is equal to 10 and they said it is a list of numbers. They didn't say it is a AP, right? So we can find the D. So D minus 3 and list of number, last number, that is last number L. L is equal to 62. That is a AN. So now we can use the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Right? Clear? We are finding a last term number. Are you all clear? Last term number. Last term value 62. I want to know what is the last term number, right? Excuse me. Clear? So now instead of AN, you can put minus 62 equal to A 10 plus N minus 1. N we don't know, right? We are finding N only. N minus 1 into D value minus 3. So D value minus 3. Next, 62 equal to minus 62 equal to 10 plus. Now you can multiply the by distributive property. So minus 3 into N minus 3N minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. Are you clear? By using distributive property. Excuse me. Okay, next minus 62 is equal to 13 plus, now see here, actually here 10 plus 10 plus 3. So plus 10 plus 3 became a plus 30. Then plus minus 3n. Then you can transpose the 13 to left hand side. So here plus 13 will come this side became a minus 13. So 62 minus 13 is equal to minus 3n. Are you clear? Then now same sign, so we should add it. 2 plus 3, 5, 6 plus 1, 7. So 75 is equal to minus 3n. Then minus minus cancel. Clear? Next we can transpose the 3 to left hand side. So here it is a multiplication 3. So it will come this side became a division 3. So 75 divided by 3 equal to n. Are you clear? Then n is equal to, when we cancel it, 1 3s are 3. Here 2 3s are 6. Remaining. Excuse me, remaining 2 3 6 remaining 1. Then how many 3s are 15? 5 3s are 15. So 25 is equal to n. Are you clear? So which term it is? N is equal to 25. So the last term is, how many digits are here? So the last term is 25th term. Right? Clear? The 62 is a minus 62 is a 25th term of the AP. Are you clear? Excuse me, are you clear? Okay. Now 25th term of the AP. Now we should find the 11th term or backside onwards, right? So the total number of terms in this AP 25. So 11th term of the AP, that is what we supposed to do? 25 minus, excuse me, minus we are doing here to the front side. So minus 11, right? So what is the answer? Excuse me, 25 minus 11. 14. Listen, here we are finding a backside to front side number. So just a plus 1. Clear? So that is a 15th term. Are you clear? Otherwise, you can write the terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. You can cancel the last 11 terms. 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What is the 11th term here? 11th term, what is here? 11th term, 15. So front side it is a 15th term, back side is a 11th term, right? Excuse me. So now it is a 15th term. So we can find the 15th term. We know the A, D. Now we can find the 15th term. How will you find the 15th term? The same thing, AN formula. AN is equal to, here AN, N is equal to 15, right? N is equal to 15, not AN. N is equal to 15. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Then A, N, what it is? 15. So 15 equal to A plus N minus 1 into, that's a 15 minus 1 into D, that is minus 3. Are you clear? Excuse me. Then N plus 15 minus 1, 14. 14 into minus 3. then 10 plus, you can multiply now. 4 3s are 12, remaining 2, remaining 1, 42. So minus 42. Now plus 10 minus 42, what it is? Minus 32. So 15th term is 32, minus 32. Are you all clear? Excuse me. Here the only confusion is of finding the backside onwards and front side onwards the number, right? So better you can write like this. Otherwise, very simple. 25 minus 11 plus 1. Clear? We should subtract. Actually, they're asking 11th term, right? Clear? So 25 minus 11. Otherwise, you can put a bracket. Here you can subtract a 1. That is 11 minus 1. That is 10. So 15 minus 10. What it is? 15 minus 10. Sorry, 25 minus 10. 15. Are you all clear or not? Very simple. 25 total term. So minus what they asking? 11th term backside onwards. So 11th term. We should subtract again here 1, right? So 25 minus 11 minus 1, 10 equal to 15. This is the one way. Otherwise, if you are doing like this means first you can 15 minus 11, then you can add a plus 1. Clear? Clear? Here I put a bracket, here without bracket. That's all. Very clear? Clear? Here with the bracket, here without bracket. Clear? Clear? Any doubt? You suppose 13th term, total number of terms 30. You're supposed to find the 14th term from backside onwards. Backside onwards 14th term. So what is the front side number? Minus 14. Minus 14. Again minus 1 in this 14. So 30 minus what it is? 13. What it is? What it is? 17. Very clear? Excuse me, very clear? Any doubt? Clear? Clear? Okay. Shall we move to the next problem? I hope in this video you may clear about the problem. Thank you for watching my video. If it is any doubt, you can ask me in a comment. Thank you.